Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a channel on your Rumble account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Rumble. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to rumble.com. We will use the shortcut from the bookmarks toolbar. Go to rumble.com. And now go to the right top corner where we see the account profile photo. Click on that button. Go to my channels. We will be creating a Rumble channel. So let's click on create channel. And now the name of the channel, let's just say Computer Science Videos. That channel name is available. I'll just say education is a must. Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram. Let's now take a moment to add all these URLs. So let's go to our Facebook. Open up a new tab, go to Create a Studio for one moment. I'll just take the URL from the business page. So there we have it. URL copied. Paste that into the socials for Facebook. Let's go to Twitter. Let's go back to our tab. Go to Twitter. Copy and paste that too. And the last one will be Instagram. Take that URL. Paste. Command V to paste. Now what we will do is create. The field is required. Let's just say Mr. Create. And there we go. Our channel has been created. We can now manage the content, delete, look at the restrictions, and edit if we ever wish to. We need to now upload some videos. So if I were to go back one, go to edit and title, let's just change that to Computer Science Videos. Click on save, go to manage, and there we have it, Computer Science Videos. In the next tutorial, we will look to, let's just say, upload some videos. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.